Our subject for today is mathematics. Topic lesson number 10, fractions. Now here, one chapati has to be divided equally between two people, that is Meena and Tina. Now, here we divide it into two equal parts. When any object is divided into two equal parts, then each of the parts is one half of that object. So, when it is divided into two equal parts, each of the part is one half of the whole chapati. So, after dividing it, this one half goes to Tina and this one half goes to Meena. So now, one half of the whole is shown by the fraction 1 upon 2. Here also, one half of the whole is shown by the fraction 1 upon 2. So Meena gets one half of the chapati and Tina gets one half of the chapati. It is written as fraction 1 upon 2. Now here, one chapati has to be divided equally between four people, that is Meena, Tina, Rohan and Jay. Now let's divide this whole chapati into four equal parts for four people. Now when it is divided into four equal parts and one part is given to each person, each share is a quarter of the whole bhakri. When any object is divided into four equal parts, each of those parts is a quarter of the whole. So now after dividing this chapati into four equal parts, each person will get a quarter of the whole chapati. So let's see how much do they get. So now this one quarter goes to Meena. Tina gets another quarter of the chapati. Rohan gets a quarter of the chapati and Jai too gets a quarter of the chapati. So let's write the fraction. 1 quarter is shown by the fraction 1 upon 4. So quarter you say as quarter or 1 upon 4. Rohan also gets a quarter of the chapati, that is 1 upon 4, and Jai too gets a quarter of the chapati, that is 1 upon 4. So all four get a quarter of the chapati. Now here, three children bought, that is Rani, Pinky and Raju. They bought a chapati and asked their grandfather to divide it equally among the four of them, including grandfather. So grandfather divided the chapati into four equal pieces. First he divided into two halves. And then he divided into a quarter. So each piece is 1/4 of the chapati. So grandfather, he divides it first into 4 quarters, and he gives each quarter 1/4 to Rani, 1/4 to Pinky, 1/4 to Raju, and he keeps 1/4 for himself. So now let's write the fraction. 1/4 or 1/4 for Rani, 1/4 for Pinky, 1/4 for Raju, and 1/4 for himself. Quarter for Rani, quarter for Pinky, quarter plus quarter is half. 1/2. Now quarter plus quarter is half, and quarter plus quarter plus quarter. So that is 3/4. Quarter plus quarter plus quarter will give you 3/4. It is 3/4 of the whole.